I'm a bee. Do you get it? I'm a bee. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. So we turned ourselves into queen bee today. Our bee is more difficult and challenging than I anticipated to draw. Yes. Did we make it work? Yes. Do I think it looks okay? Yes, I do. So this is a pretty freaking easy look to do. The eyes and lips are super easy. The only thing you might need to practice are the bumblebees that I drew all over my face. You can do more than me, you can do less than me, you can just do like a V kind of shape of bees on your forehead to make you an actual queen. Give yourself a crown. You do you, boo. If you recreate this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram. It's always linked down below in the description box so I can see. It would be so cool if somebody recreated one of these looks. I'm just saying. So I hope you guys are excited for the rest of 31 days of Halloween. If you are new here and don't know what that is, I'm just uploading a different Halloween look all 31 days of October. And yeah, let me get my little spiel out of the way and then we'll hop into the video. If you enjoy while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. All right, let's get into it, guys. All right, so we're gonna start off like normal by putting on some foundation and concealer and doing our regular face. I do white mine out a little bit. You don't really have to if you don't want to. For the eyes, I'm just building up a bunch of different shades of yellow from the ColourPop Honey palette. Also off screen, I went ahead and put on my eyebrows. Like normal, I just extended them both ways a little bit more. Once you're happy with how much yellow you have in your crease, I'm just going to cut mine out with white concealer. You can use whatever concealer you have. Then I'm going to go over the white concealer with a light shimmery gold. Also, so sorry if you hear Ellie Belly in the background. She's playing and making noise. I don't know what she's doing really. Once that gold is built up, I'm just finishing off the eye with some of this chunky gold glitter. You want to be careful using this around your eye because it is super chunky and not intended to be used around your eye area, so just beware. I'm adding a super thick, long black wing of eyeliner. You don't have to do it quite as dramatic as I do, but I want it to be extra. Taking a blend of all of the yellows I added to my crease, I'm just blending out my lower lash line pretty low. Once again, you don't have to do it quite as dramatic as I do. I also take some of that light shimmery gold and apply it to my inner corner. And then we're going to put on some mascara and do the other eye, and we'll be right back. For the bumblebees, I'm taking liquid white eyeliner and making like oval shapes. I don't really know how to describe it, so just kind of watch. I mean, they're oval shapes. I'm so sorry. If you have liquid yellow eyeliner, you definitely don't have to use the white, or if you have like yellow body paint or anything like that, but this is how I decided to do it. Then I'm just going to take a bright yellow eyeshadow on a small little pencil brush and fill in all of the white shapes we've made on our faces. Like I said, you can add however many bees you want. Going in with a liquid black eyeliner, I'm adding the stripes, the little antennas, and some legs to each of these bumblebees I've made. I definitely forgot to mention that I am also outlining the entire shape in black just to give it a little more definition. My bad. I keep quite a bit of this footage in here so you can see how I'm doing it. I'm also using my other hand to hold my right hand steadier. And I also go back and fill in the front of each bee to create a little bit of a head, I guess. If that makes sense? Probably not. After we're done outlining and doing our stripes, I'm just going back in with the same eyeliner and creating 2 wings. I guess they're kind of oval shapes as well. I'm just adding those to each bumblebee, and then I'm going to fill them back in with the white eyeliner. Then I'm just taking a black eyeliner pencil and outlining my lips. I recommend you find an actual black lip liner instead of eyeliner because those tend to be a little creamier and smudge easier. But once you're done with that, I'm going to apply some black liquid lipstick, and I do overline my lips quite a bit. Apply some false lashes, and then we're going to highlight. While I'm highlighting my eyes, I decide that I'm going to ruin this entire look by putting some highlighter over the bumblebee's wings, which wasn't so bad. But then I end up taking liquid gold eyeshadow and going over the entire bee because I'm an idiot. I also put that on my cupid's bow as a little bit more of a highlight. Yeah, right here. Ruin the whole look. Don't do that. If you follow this look, don't do this part. So SARS. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October.